Felt samples are a fun and economical way to help your customers experience Scentsy. Because the felt absorbs the wax, you don't have to worry about your samples melting, making them ideal for mailing to warmer climates. To make your own felt samples, you'll need a package of Scentsy Classic Curve felt shapes from Scentsy Success, a Scentsy warmer, a Scentsy bar, a pair of tweezers, some wax paper or parchment paper in small plastic bags. When you have everything you need, warm the wax in the warmer. After it's completely melted, use tweezers to dip a piece of felt in the wax. Once the felt is completely saturated, remove the felt from the wax and allow the excess wax to drip back into the warmer. Then, place the sample on a sheet of wax paper or parchment paper to dry, about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's fully dry, place the sample in a small plastic bag. Label the outside and distribute. To use the sample, place the felt in a warmer and turn it on. Once the wax has melted, leave it in the warmer dish or remove it with tweezers. We'd love to see how you use and share the Scentsy Classic Curve felt shapes. Take pictures and share them on social media using #ScensySuccess.